Every day, the world changes shape, speed, and energy. The only way not to go in circles is to find the center of the circle. That's why at OMR, we follow our partners through all stages of their production cycle. We produce metal components for the automotive industry, but that's not all. Our ideas are always in motion to offer complete, innovative, flexible solutions. Everything rotates around our customers. Thanks to the complete vertical integration of our processes, we can handle and customize all kinds of machining. From design to engineering, production to delivery, we work alongside our customers throughout the product development cycle. Therefore, we anticipate the turning points of an increasingly competitive automotive industry. We are connected to people, to the community, to the territory. This is our secret. Our team guards the know-how with which we ensure the highest standards of quality, safety, and excellence. We love to be efficient, even when the market turns fast. Our guiding principles are continuous process improvement, automation, and business continuity. We believe in sustainable development and raw material circularity. All the energy we use is produced from renewable sources. Our products help companies reduce costs and environmental impacts because we know that is the only way to be competitive in the long run. OMR is not only a supplier, but a reliable partner. That is why we strive every day to put the future of our customers at the center of the circle.